How's it going, guys? My name is Emerald, and I'll be teaching you how to make Coquito. Before we get started, I would just like to thank everyone who has donated to our Paulie G's Relief Fund. 100% of the money is given directly to the employees. It helps with our rent, our bills, our groceries, and any of our necessities. So thank you so much for donating. If you would like to donate to our relief fund, a link will be added in the description below. I know a lot of people are going to ask, what is Coquito? Coquito is a traditional Christmas drink that originated in Puerto Rico. It literally means, in Spanish, little coconut. It's a very thick and creamy coconut drink that I would say is similar to eggnog. It's like coconut flavored eggnog. Even though this is a Christmas drink, this drink is meant to be shared with family and friends. So even though we are all quarantined right now, I wanted to share this drink with you. Every family's Coquito is different. So I was given permission from my family to share our ingredients with you guys. Alright, so let's get started. First, we're going to take 1 can of Carnation evaporated milk. And pour that right into the blender. Next, we're going to take a can of sweetened condensed milk and pour that right into the blender. Probably going to need a spoon for this one. Next, you're going to have 2 spoonfuls of cream of coconut. That's 1. That's 2. Next, you're going to put in a couple of dashes of pure vanilla. Just about that much. Next, you're going to take a few dashes of ground nutmeg. Something a little like that. About the equal amount of dashes with some ground cinnamon. So together the ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg should look something like that. Alright, and the next thing that we're going to do, which is our secret, is we grate a little bit of this Mexican hot chocolate drink tablet. It's called Abuelita. Alright. Okay, now we're going to add about a spoonful of that. Good spoonful. Looks something like that. About 1 spoonful. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to add is an option. These are Coconut Flakes. You can add these if you like. If you don't want to, because you really don't like that texture of coconut shavings in your drink, you don't have to do this. But if you do want to do this, I would add just a little bit, just a little pinch, a little bit of a handful, you know what I'm saying? Right there. It's gonna look something like that. And then the last thing that we're gonna add here is your rum. If you would not like to add rum and you just want to have a non-alcoholic drink, that's totally okay too. These are all the ingredients that you would need, and you would just blend this right up as is. If you do want to add rum, I would suggest coconut flavored rum, such as coconut Bacardi. I would add about a 3/4 cup of rum. I have a measuring cup to measure it out here. And if you think this amount is too much, you can always start small, blend in a small amount, and just slowly add more till you have the right amount of alcohol that you'd want in the drink. I almost forgot. Add a couple of ice cubes. And we blend it up. I didn't plug it in. What? And it should be ready. Oh yeah. And there you have it, folks. That's how you make coquito. Enjoy.